Hey, welcome to WordPressPPC.com. You're looking at the WordPress PPC theme, and this website actually uses it. My name is Jesus, and I created this theme, and I wanted to walk you through it so you can see what it's like and what it does. I created this theme because I got frustrated with the marketplace, and I got tired of sites that looked like this, and I wanted to have a WordPress theme that looked like this, or even like this. So I went out and I created this. I wanted to show you what this theme does. So let's jump into the back end here, and I want you to see how a typical page would look with the WordPress PPC theme the minute you load it up and you install it on WordPress. This is what a page would look like with some very basic content, and I want to show you how easy it is to edit your sales page using WordPress. I already have the page loaded up here on the back end, and I wanted to just show you. All you need to do, very similar to Word, is select and add the formatting you desire. That's an H1 tag. This is an H2 tag. This is an H3 tag. I'm going to keep going here with H4, H5, and H basically means headline. These are different headline tags you can use. This we're going to surround with a block quote, so I'm going to go ahead and quote that off. And these are lists, and I'm going to remove these little bullets here because I don't need those, and I'm going to create that into a list of items. I'm going to backspace and enter on this so I can create extra lines. I'm going to delete the 1, 2, 3s because WordPress will automatically add these for me, and I'm going to press delete and enter again. And finally, I'm going to leave some regular paragraph text over here. And when I update this page on the back end of WordPress, you can see how it automatically changes on the front end. That's how easy it is to set up a sales page, but it doesn't really stop there. Some people want to tweak their sales page a little bit more. If you don't like the default color that comes on the back end, you can always switch out to a custom background, and all you need to do is enter a brand new custom field called color and put in the color you want. If you want white, type in white and hit add custom field. And when you refresh the page, you now have a white background. And this will work with any color. If you want to actually make up a color, EF, 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 and update that, it updates on the fly in the background. I had no idea what that would show up as, but it appears to be a light gray. If you want to go even crazier and guesstimate something, let's see what that creates. I have no idea. This is a surprise to you and me both. Okay, it's also a variation of gray. You can throw up any color you want. If you want to have an image back there, that's possible too. All you need to do is change color, or delete that if you like, and create a brand new one called background image. And in this particular case, I jumped over to a site and I found this really cool wooden background pattern. I'm going to right click that and copy the image location, and I'm just going to paste it in there along with BG image, and I'm going to go ahead and add that custom field. And when I update this page, I now have a wooden background that's actually pulling the image from that other server. Now you're saying to yourself, Jesus, man, that's a really wide theme. I know it is, and I'm going to show you how to change that. Just put in width and put in 600 pixels. PX is for pixels. Add that custom field, and now you are able to dynamically on the fly change the width of this theme. Beautiful. Now I want you to keep in mind that the changes I'm doing are just for this page. You can create a brand new page with a brand new background or a brand new color or width. You can create all kinds of different pages on the same domain, and each page could have a different color. It could have a different theme. It could have every single sales page can be different, and this is great for split testing to see if one page is better than the other. Now, one thing a lot of my past customers did ask for was a header. They wanted to be able to put an image up here, so I actually accommodated that in this theme. And you'll notice here on the right, I have an area that says template, and if I choose header, custom background, and if I update this page, I'm going to show you how I insert these headers. Now keep in mind, I can't create the headers for you, but once you create a header, all you really need to do is click on this little button right here and browse to where you uploaded your header. In this case, I uploaded it right here. WordPress will upload the image for you, and I'm not even going to care about this entire box here. All I want is this URL right there. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to close this box without saving or inserting anything. I'm going to scroll down a bit, and I'm going to paste that URL to that header, and I'm going to add a brand new custom field called banner. And I'm going to add one more called banner height, because that banner happens to be 120 pixels high. And now when I refresh this page, I have a banner on top. Now keep in mind, this banner is too wide for the pixel dimension, so I would have to change this out to 700 in order for that banner to fit in there. And that's basically what the WordPress PPC theme does. You can create sales pages, you can change them, you can add all kinds of cool graphics and edit your pages really fast without having to go to a designer and pay them hundreds of dollars for each edit you make. You can just go into the back end here and you can just update your content on the fly. WordPress even keeps a historical document of every single change you make. So you can always go back in time to your revisions and see what happened on this day. Did I lose a piece of code that I need desperately? Go back in time and grab it from WordPress. These are the advantages of using WordPress over traditional HTML or even over regular designers. Now, one more thing that I threw in this theme was a blog backend. And I created the blog backend because a lot of people want to have a site up front, a sales letter up front, but in the back, they want to have a blog. So this theme comes with this default theme in the backend. This default theme will let you create all kinds of content in the back, and you can even use this for membership sites. And this is how I deliver all the membership content, all the customer area content at WordPressPPC.com. You can add all kinds of categories and articles and posts, and this will help make your site look more distinguished and more content heavy and higher quality to Google AdWords, as well as to Google and the other search engines as well. Instead of just having one base theme in the front with a sales letter, you can have a sales letter and tons of content on the back end. And that's the WordPress PPC theme for you. The WordPress theme does come with a 100% money back guarantee. For 60 days, you can try it out, and if you don't like it, there's a no questions asked refund policy. Just let me know and I'll help you out. One last thing to keep in mind, I offer full support for this theme in our customer area. In the customer area, you can watch videos, high quality streaming online videos that will teach you how to use the theme, how to make these edits, and how to do all types of stuff. And I'm going to share secrets and tips and little bits of information that I've learned over the years to help make your life a little bit easier when you're building these pages out. If you're interested, please buy now. There's a link directly below this video, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.